Jeremy Harris is live at the juvenile court with this update. And Jeremy, many people will ask why this case is taking so long.
Yeah, it's been about a year and a half since the Humiston family massacre in Falls City, and the case is now at a very critical moment. Whether the teen who's charged with those murders will stay here in juvenile court or whether his case will go to the adult system. The consequences of that decision will be huge, and today a judge decided the public has a right to see what happens next.
Juvenile court proceedings are also not closed.
Judge Veronica Galvan will soon make the call on which court will hear the case against a now 16-year-old boy accused of killing his parents and 3 siblings in Falls City in 2024.
We're asking for a partial closure.
Defense attorneys for the teen have asked that most of the upcoming hearings be closed to the press and the public.
Anything even remotely salient is going to be published, is going to be out there, is going to be reported on.
People have the right to know how their courts work and function, how decisions are made, the evidence that is relied upon, and to be informed about what is happening in our courts.
Judge Galvan denied the defense request and addressed accusations that the prosecutor's office was oversharing information about the high-profile murders with the press.
There has been no indication that the prosecution has acted untoward in providing anybody any public information.
When you look at the law and the facts and the evidence of this case, this is an absolutely critical hearing. And the judge has got to get it right, and it's going to be a really tough call.
Michael Stewart is a criminal defense lawyer and not involved in this case. He says the decision over which court will hear the case will carry significant weight.
One of the most informed judges making a huge decision when the time comes.
If the teen's case stays in juvenile court, the maximum penalty he could face is up to his 25th birthday. Then he'd be released. If it goes to adult court, he could be looking at decades in prison.
And the defense wants to get this right because they know that this is really the ball game. This is it. This is the big decision which is going to drive everything going forward.
Now, this hearing to decide which court will have jurisdiction moving forward, that is scheduled for late June, and it's expected to take a week or two. We will certainly be there when it happens. The teen has claimed that he is innocent, and he has blamed the family murders on his younger brother, though police believe that after killing the family, he staged the crime scene and tried to frame his younger brother. So certainly a lot more details to come in this case. Reporting live from King County Juvenile Court, Jeremy Harris, KOMO News.
All right, thank you.